Open the unit.
Just this guy.
Well, that's not wrapped very good.
No, it's just a double wrapped.
Oh, it is.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. It's like a double wrapped. See here, it's going into inside
Gotcha.
the nut.
Okay. So you need to remove that cover for me.
One sec. I'll shut down the power. It's open.
Okay, so
Let me.
where's the fuse? No, yeah, don't touch in there. It's still live. Where's the fuse box?
No, no, no. I turned it off. The fuse on.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, now you can go ahead. Sorry, I didn't know you turned it off.
Yeah.
Where's the equipment grounding conductor?
Here. This one is go from here. See it? From the flex.
Yeah.
Then it's go from here. Here's a bushing.
So what you're telling me is the unit itself does not need an equipment grounding conductor. That's the ground. That's the ground wire. But what about the equipment grounding where you're connected to the equipment? No, just a black and a white.
Yeah, it's just a black and a white. It doesn't have one.
But does this new furnace require one? Is my question. That's what was in the wall. That's what was in the conduit from before.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, here's no any the ground for the furnace itself. Because this one is simple furnace, and I really know it's like the other furnaces does have the third wire for the grounding, just
right.
not for the body, but this one does have just only black and white one.
Well, that's because that's what's in that existing conduit. What I'm saying is, should you have run new wiring that includes an equipment grounding conductor for this unit? So show to me on the wiring diagram in the owner's manual, installation instructions, that it does not call for an equipment grounding conductor, and then I'll be good with it.
Okay. So, as you see here, here's a black and white, and the ground just goes to the body. No more. I mean, here's a no third wire from the control. See it?
Right. Okay.
Yep.
All right. That's the only wiring in that unit.
Yeah. Just the two black and white. No third one. Yeah.
Okay.
In the fancy units, it's usually does have the third one, but does here and does not.
Okay. All right. Let's look at the B-vent connections, beginning with the top of the furnace. Is that first section a B-vent connection?
Yeah, just
It
right.
is.
Yeah, just right here.
Right, but go up above, right above the furnace.
Above?
No, right above the furnace, right there, that first joint.
This one? Yeah, 1 second. Just someone called. Do you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Why is that first section taped?
I have no idea.
No tape allowed on B vent connections because they're double wall and they need to breathe properly. So I
Take it.
can't tell. Just remove that tape.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Okay, keep going up. Keep following it. Again, you got tape.
Yeah, I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, I'll remove it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll remove
Yeah.
it. No worries.
All those.
Yeah, I will remove it.
Never tape B vent connections.
Okay. All right. Good.
Okay.
Good. Good to know.
Show me at the wall. Okay. All right. Now go backwards slowly. Okay. Stand back and show me how far that horizontal vent is. How long?
Maybe show him from right here. How far it is from the wall.
No, how far is it from the water heater? I mean, from the furnace.
Oh,
The horizontal.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. I see you got the sediment trap is good. Is there living space above this garage?
yes. Yes.
Yeah. This one.
There's let me see. The neighbor's house. The other side of our townhome. There's another person that lives on this side, right above our garage. But it's another unit. It's a unit. And yeah, it's just going up right here. That's our stairwell, and then from I believe from that wall. I think from this wall on is actually the
The A
neighbors.
unit,
The
not
neighbors,
yours.
yeah.
Okay.
That's the neighbors. Yeah.
So that site is a neighbor's site, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, he will double check.
Okay. I couldn't hear anything you said.
He said. He said in this area it's supposed to be the
Okay.
second floor of.
No, my fault. My fault. So
No.
this wall right here, it separates my A unit and the my B unit and the A unit upstairs. So the whole garage, the A unit, there's another family that lives above us, but they're separated. Like they have their own um, unit upstairs.
Okay. All right. And the reason I'm asking is those gaps around the square duct over there, over the furnace,
Uh-huh.
and also around the flexible duct that's penetrating the ceiling.
Uh-huh.
That one.
Okay.
So that's not a very tight seal, and it's more. The reason this whole lid is sheetrock is for fire.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
On the upper unit. So you could use a sheet metal flange around tight to the ductwork
Or just
and screwed to the ceiling to cover up those gaps.
or just a foam, right?
No, The foam is not for fire.
Okay. No, I know, like a fire block. The foam fire block.
No, you can't use that for fire. Sorry, that's a misconception. So, um,
Like a fire cock, or how is it called? Like a fire cock.
well, you probably put sheet metal on it because I don't think you can fire cock that big of a gap.
No, it's not too big. It's maybe just maybe 1 inch.
You won't be able to fire cock that.
No, it's like it's
No.
good to meet you.
Around even this duct on the right, if there's gaps around it and around the square duct and around that other duct penetrating the ceiling,
Uh-huh.
you can put the sheet metal donuts over it.
Okay. And
So,
the same finger just right there. See?
right.
One second. Here's just like another hole, and I won't be able to put somewhere sheet metal here.
Okay, well, you can caulk that the best you can, but on the left side where that square duct is, you should be able to put sheet metal.
Okay, just like this one, right?
No, well,
1.5 inch.
that's not gonna be wide enough.
Okay, we will figure out.
Right.
Here's a one more gap. We didn't touch it, Robert. It was like that before. It's really not fun on us.
Yeah, it was like that before.
Oh, I understand that.
Yeah.
But anytime you install a new appliance, it's the only time we can come in and we can see potential fire hazards, such as these.
Uh-huh.
So, work with your homeowner about who's going to take care of that and blah, blah, blah. But if there's a penetration that you didn't touch and it's just an opening in a ceiling or a firewall, then it's up to the homeowner to get whatever contractor they want to do the repairs, including paying you to do it. But if they're duct penetrations, then that's on you.
Okay.
That is on you.
All right. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So.
I'm fine with it. I mean, I agree. I cannot be. I cannot be not agree with you.
Right.
I totally agree.
Okay. All right.
Let's see the smoke and seal.
One last thing I need to verify with you is combustion air openings.
Yeah, it's plenty of combustion air openings right there. See? And
they go all along the wall. There's like 7 of them.
7 of them, like the Dominic says.
Good.
Yeah.
But no upper combustion air.
Yeah, that's fine. Huh? Excuse me?
There's no upper combustion air, just lower.
Yeah, just the lower, yes.
Okay. All right. Now, show me the electrical panel. I just want to make sure that the furnace is identified and labeled.
Right here.
Wonderful. Thank you. Now we can look at the smoke and carbon monoxide sensors.
Do you have of them?
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Sweet then. Shoes okay?
Yeah, but we have kids in the room right now. So
I will take off.
Okay. They need to see him inside? You'd have to let me use the phone and go inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will give it to Dominic, the cell phone. He will show it to you, okay?
Yeah. That's fine.
Sorry.
Okay, Dominic, here's what we're looking.
Yeah, I actually got it from the last, from when the water heater guy came in. I mean, we did he had a brand new water heater installed.
Okay.
And, so basically, he made sure that we put, it's a little crooked, I just gotta hook it back onto the hook. But
sure.
I've got the carbon monoxide and a, smoke detector by each what was it called? He said each pathway, each entrance to like the rooms. So
Yeah.
there's one right there. That's the carbon monoxide. This is the what you call it?
Smoke.
Smoke.
Okay. And where's the bedroom?
And the one in the bedroom. Hold on, Shy. Sorry.
Okay. All right.
And then I've got two. So I also got the one in this hall for the hallway. Here's the other door one, or the ones
Okay.
that lead into the door.
Yeah.
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon. Okay.
Hold on. Oh. This is the one from my room. I wasn't finished setting it up, but it goes right here. I'm gonna put it up there right now for you. And then the other one.
Okay.
And then the other
I'll
one.
buy that. Yeah.
And then the other one is in our other girl's room, but she has her room locked. Hold on. Danny. Danny.
Okay.
Okay. And I think that was all the ones you needed, right?
That's it.
That's all we
Thank
have
you.
in the house. Okay. I'm gonna give you back to Adam.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, he's taking off the tape right now.
All right. Good. So the only corrections that we need to come back and see are all the penetrations around the duct into that rated assembly.
May I send it to you the pictures or?
No.
Okay.
No, we don't accept pictures. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right.
I'll tell the homeowner today. I'll call him right now.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Robert.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.